Hi, everyone. Hey, this is Don with Digital Marketing Learn and Earn. Uh, it all started out when I had to retire due to some heart conditions. It was a forced retirement, and I couldn't really live on Social Security. And if I had started drawing out of my retirement funds, we would have run out of money before I left this world. So I started checking online about digital marketing, and I found a fantastic program. Um, it's a digital marketing. It's completely automated, and what you get with it, it's the Legacy Builder program, which is one of the best programs that they have. Um, it buys your freedom. You're building something that's yours. Uh, you're investing in the future, you're investing in your legacy. And what you actually get with this is that you get a fully automated business system that works 24/7 so that you can do whatever you need to do. You earn money while you're sleeping. They give you a step by step, no fluff training. Uh, Even if you're just starting out from scratch, they teach you everything. Uh, they have exclusive tools and resources to scale your income, to grow faster. They have a supportive, high energy community of entrepreneurs that are all uh, empowering each other. You join that group. They don't want you to fail. They give you the ability to earn up $900 or more a day, which is a pretty good income per year. That's that 900. That's over $300,000 a year. Um, they give you so much, so much. They have weekly online webinars that are live that you can participate in. Uh, you can ask questions anytime you want. They give you step by step blueprints uh, to follow. And if you follow them, you'll succeed. I got into this. I'm doing good. It's really helping me out and my family so that we're building an income, we're building a business that will help us survive throughout the rest of the years. I'll probably never be able to go back to work for a corporation, and the way this is going, I'm not really sure if I ever do want to go back. Um, Check it out. Check out my website, www.learnandearn.biz. All you have to do is put your email address, go to learnandearn.biz. You'll come up to a screen, put your email address in there. It'll explain the entire program to you. And if you are running short of money every month, I can't tell you a better way to earn than with digital marketing and this program. If you have any questions, email me, Don at learn and earn.biz. Talk to you soon. Thank you.